1656 to 1605, eldest son of Humayun, ascended throne under the title Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar Badshah Ghazi at age 14 at Kalla Nor, Punjab, tutor Behram Khan as agent. Second Battle of Panipat, 5 November 1556, battle between Hindu general of Muhammad Adil Shah and Behram Khan, regent of Akbar, where Humayun defeated, captured, slain by Behram Khan, ended Behram Khan regency in 1560 at age 18, assumed full reign. Under influence of Mahamanga and Adham Khan, जनता 1560 से 62 पेटीकोट गवर्नमेंट, conquered various provincial states, built फतेहपुर सीकरी, आगरा फोर्ट, लाहौर फोर्ट and Allahabad fort and Humayun tomb at Delhi. Fatehpur Sikri place near Agra. Sheikh Salim Chishti blessed Akbar with the son named Salim Sikho Baba. Jahangir Akbar shifted court from Agra to Fatehpur Sikri in his honor. Ibadat Khan house of worship 1575 initially for Muslim only, open to all religion 1578. Mahjar 1569 declared Akbar final arbiter in religious dispute, drafted by Sheikh Mubarak, sometimes called infallibility decree. Sulle Kul, peace with all, core principle of Akbar governance. Birbal pen name Brahma Kavi, Hindi poem. Tansen, original name of Ram Tanu Pandey, disciple of Swami Haridas, Baut from Gwalior. Diwane Khas at Fatehpur Sikri, famous for central pillar with serpentine brackets. Months of rank range from 10 से 5000, later 7000 for Prince Jagra Fort. Began 1565, complete 1573 in red sandstone. 1582 proclaimed new religion Deen Ilahi, synthesis of Hinduism, Islam, Jainism. Christianity did not recognize the prophet, only Hindu to follow. Birbal did not become popular. Birbal killed in battle of Yusuf Jai tribe. Abul Fazl murdered by Bir Singh Bundela 1601. Akbar gave Mughal India one official language, Persian. Considered real founder of Mughal Empire, first Mughal ruler to divorce religion from politics. Died and buried at Sikandara near Agra. Akbar conquest Air province from 1560 से 62. मलबा बाज बहादुर 1561. चुनार अफगान 1562. मेराठ जयमाल 1564. गोंडवाना गदा कटंगा रानी दुर्गावती 1668. चित्तौर राणा उदय सिंह. रणथंभौर सुरजनहड़ा 69. कलिंजर रामचंद्र 70. मरवाड़ चंद्रसेन राज सिंह रावलहरी राय 1572. गुजरात बहादुर शाह 1574 से 76. बंगाल बिहार दौद खान कर्रानी 1576. हल्दी घाटी राणा प्रताप 1581. काबुल मिर्जा हकीम 1585 से 86. कश्मीर यूसुफ खान एंड यकूब खान 1590. 91. सिंध जानी बेग मिर्जा 1590 से 92. उड़ीसा कुतुल खान एंड निसार खान 91. खानदेश अली खान 95. बलूचिस्तान यूसुफ जाई ट्राइब 95. खंदार मुजफ्फर हुसैन मिर्जा 1597. 1600. अहमदानगर चंदा बीबी रीजेंट ऑफ बहादुर शाह 1601. असीरगढ़ मीरान बहादुर खां. Rajput policy, tried to win Rajput, introduced Rajput king into Mughal service, treat at per the Mughal nobility. Married Harkha Bai, daughter of Bharmal or Bihari Mal, Kachwaha Rajput ruler of Ajmer, capital Jaipur in 1562. Battle of Haldi Ghati between Rana Pratap of Mewar and Mughal army led by Man Singh of Amer. Rana Pratap defeated, did not submit. Rana Uday Singh or Rana Pratap Singh resisted. Important year of Akbar 1562. Visited Ajmer, time अजमेर फर्स्ट टाइम 1562 बैन ऑन फोर्सिबल कन्वर्सेशन ऑफ बार प्रिजन एंड स्लेव 1563 एबोलिशन ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज टैक्स 1564 एबोलिशन ऑफ जजिया 71 फतेहपुर सीकरी मनसबदारी सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस 1574 75 इबादत खाना वाज बिल्ड 78 पार्लियामेंट ऑफ रिलीजियस इबादत खाना प्रोक्लेमेशन ऑफ महजर रिटन बाय शेख मुबारक 1580 दहसाला बंदोबस्त इंट्रोड्यूस 82 दिन इलाही 1584 इलाही सांबत कैलेंडर 1587 इलाही गज यार्ड अकबर नवरत्न 9 जोन्स बीरबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन अबुल फजल स्कॉलर और स्टेटमेंट फैजी स्कॉलर और स्टेटमेंट ब्रदर ऑफ अबुल फजल टोडरमल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर दहसाला बंदोबस्त भागबंदास मनसबदार सन ऑफ भाड़मल मान सिंह मनसबदार ग्रैंडसन ऑफ भाड़मल तानसेन म्यूजिशियन अब्दुल रहीम खाने खाना मुल्ला दो प्याजा तुलसीदास रामचरित्र मानस ऑल्सो लिव्ड ड्यूरिंग अकबर पीरियड जहांगीर 1605 से 27 सलीम सन ऑफ अकबर केम टू थ्रोन आफ्टर अकबर्स डेथ 1605 issued 12 ordinances known for strict administration of justice, established Janjeer-e-Adal chain of justice at Agra. Janjeer-e-Adal 1660 bail chain at Agra for anyone could pull or direct royal justice. 12 ordinance of accession banned nose tilting punishment, forced labor, seizure of property on death, slaughter of animal and certain days. Noor Jahan, original name Mehrunisa, father Itmad Uddullah Giyas Beg. Noor Jahan, Janta Noor Jahan plus father Giyas Beg plus brother Asaf Khan son-in-law Khurram Shah Jahan. Thomas B. 1612 defeated Portuguese at Savali near Surat, strengthened English position. Son Khusro blinded by Jahangir. Battle of Bal 1611 defeated Mebar. Rana Amar Singh accepted Mughal suzerainty. 1611 married Mehrunisa, widow of Sher Afghan, Persian nobleman of Bengal. Title Noor Jahan exercised tremendous influence over state affairs. Made official Pad Shah Begum. Issued coin jointly in Noor Jahan name and his own. Also married Meena Manmati Jagat Gosai Jodha Bai of Marwar and Kachbaha princess. 1608 William Hawkins East India Company representative came to Jahangir court. 1615 Sir Thomas Ray ambassador of King James I also came. Jahangir initially resisted, later granted English permission to establish trading post at Surat. Son Khusro received patronage of 5th, 6th Guru Arjun Dev revolted against Jahangir. Arjun Dev sentenced to death for blessing rebel Prince Khurram. Shah Jahan and Mabad Khan also revolted. Khurram 1622 से 25 मवाद खान 1626 से 27 wrote to Juke Jahangiri in Persian, buried at Lahore. शाहजहाँ 1628 से 58 खुर्रम मदर नेम जगत गोसाई जोधाबाई डॉटर ऑफ राजा जगत सिंह ascended throne 1628 after father's death. Best known for Deccan and foreign policy. First revolt Bundelkhand. Jujhar King Bundela of Orcha 1628 से 35 and Deccan Khan ए जहाँ लोधी गवर्नर ऑफ डेक्कन 1629 से 31. ताजमहल 32 से 53. चीफ आर्किटेक्चर उस्ताद अहमद लाहौरी. कैलीग्राफी अमानत खान सिराजी बिल्ट बाय 20,000 वर्कर. रेड फोर्ट दिल्ली 1638 से 48. आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ उस्ताद अहमद लाहौरी. जामा मस्जिद दिल्ली लार्जेस्ट मॉस्क्यू इन इंडिया एट द टाइम 1644 से 56. दीवाने खास. रेड फोर्ट फेमस इंस्क्रिप्शन इफ देयर बी पैराडाइज ऑन अर्थ it is this. Portuguese attacked Mughal ships. Shahjahan attacked Portuguese at Hooghly and expelled them. Wife Mumtaz Mahal, original name Arjuman Bano, died in 1631, built Taj Mahal at Agra 3253. 3132 defeated the Portuguese. Nizam Shahi dynasty of Ahmednagar brought under Mughal control 33 by Shahjahan. Deccan Sultanate of Bijapur and Golconda accepted suzerainty 1636. Sent army to Balkh to secure defense of northwestern India. Recovered Kandahar, Afghanistan 1638 from Iranians. Lost again 1647 despite three campaigns under Murad. Aurangzeb Dara didn't disturb French traveler Bernier and Italian traveler Niccolo Munocchi. Peter Mundi described famine during Shah Jahan time.